Hello everybody. This is a priceless map, priceless information. If you are interested in going to Costa Rica, living there, vacationing there, buying property there, or just being there, this shows you on average, and I repeat again, on average, what you can expect throughout a year in terms of number of sunshine hours per day. So this shows you basically how many hours is it going to be sunny in a day. Now, keep in mind that 12 hours is considered a full day in Costa Rica. 12 hours darkness, 12 hours light, because it is so close to the equator that you have pretty much equal day. It varies a little bit, but not much. So in the terms of the ratio of darkness and daylight, it's pretty much 1 to 1. So I'd recommend that if you're traveling or wanting to buy land or wanting to vacation or wanting to buy start up a community or something like that, I would recommend that you go to the 7+ hours of sunshine or the 6.5 hours of sunshine. And definitely at the very minimum, stick to the 5.5 hours of sunshine. You do not, and I repeat, you do not want to, if you're interested in health anyways, because our mood, our psychology is affected heavily by sunshine, and we need sun for our nutrients. And I'd recommend to be in a sunnier place. Your clothing is gonna dry easier. You're gonna be feeling happier and your health is gonna be better. You're gonna have more tan. Now, mind you, even the 4.5 and 3.5 hour regions are gonna give you more benefit than a lot of the northern climates, especially during the winter. But I highly recommend that you stick to the 6.5 regions or the 7 plus if you really want to keep uh, to a nice comfortable climate. It might be on the hot side, but you know what, I think it's worth it. I spent many weeks in deserts after spending dark, cloud-full, rainy falls in Vancouver, Canada, and I could not believe like how wonderful it feels to go into sunshine. And sure, in deserts you get the most amount of sun, but we're talking about tropical climates here. Now, granted, the 7+ hour regions are going to be quite dry. You're pretty much talking about semi-dry tropics when you're looking at that many sunny hours. But the 6.5 and the 5.5 is lovely mixture of. Personally, I would go for the 6.5, but the 5.5 hour is still lovely. Imagine having pretty much half the day sunny almost every day on average, right? During the rainy season, these numbers might go down. They will go down, of course, but on average, you'll get these many hours, and during dry season, you'll get even more. So the only part I would consider in terms of the Atlantic, the Caribbean side, is south of Limon, basically the southern part, close to the coast, where you get 5.5 hours. And that's sufficient, but still you're gonna get those easterly winds, the trade winds, and you're gonna get more precipitation in general. Like, granted, you'll get those hours of sunshine, but you'll get more rain, more dump. Now on the Pacific side, you can see that pretty much the whole Pacific is 5.5 or more. Now, if you can choose, go for the 6.5. You'll be happier with that. except for the Osa Peninsula in the very south. You're looking at 4.5 hours of sunshine in a day. And yeah, if you want to see some cool vegetation, you can go to the regions that don't have much sunshine and that have lots of precipitation, and you'll see different vegetation than in the drier regions. So this actually you can plan out a nice vacation where you can check out different tropical climates, different vegetations, different regions, and you compare how you feel in each one. And I've been in these climates. I've checked out almost every single one, and it's interesting. Yeah, I definitely found that the 5.5 hours per day climate is a minimum. I've been in the 4.5. I rented a house in the 4.5 region, and it was in not in Dominica, but it was inland. It was basically in the small region where you can see the 4.5 going. If you're looking at the Central Pacific region, you're looking at that little panhandle that goes out almost touching the coast. It's just to the right of the day in the title of the. Basically, you got 4.5. That's where I rented a house, and we lived there for about 2 months, and the temperature was wonderful. It was nice and warm instead of hot, oppressing hot. However, it was mornings were sunny, but then the afternoons clouded over pretty damn fast. I didn't like that, so I'd recommend you go to the 5.5, 6.5, or 7 plus. So anyways, hopefully this has helped, and enjoy.